Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your analytics data from Hootsuite. To find that option, go into the Analytics tab over here in the left, and then click on it. And then you'll find yourself over here at the overview of all of your analytics. The Overview tab lets you watch over everything that you need to monitor, especially the reports on your analysis. Click over here at the Post Performance tab. And over here at the top right, you'll find the Export button. And here, you can export all of the data that you need in a given time frame by choosing whatever you want the time frame to be over here at the calendar. Now, if you are on the upgraded plan, then you can export your data on a spreadsheet or a CSV file, which will make your life easier due to the data being a lot more organized. But the PDF will just do the same. Here in the industry, you can also export, especially as well in the competitive analysis. And finally, over here at the advertising performance. The same applies to all of these four. And that's how to export analytics from Hootsuite.